EPCB boiler efficient steam solution provider. To meet the demand for efficient steam, this textile mill chose the EPCB 6-ton gas-fired steam boiler system. The EPCB gas-fired steam boiler combines efficient combustion technology with an intelligent control system, and has the advantages of high thermal efficiency, strong fuel adaptability, easy operation, and stable operation. The boiler adopts an advanced energy-saving structure design, which can greatly reduce energy consumption and operating costs. At the same time, it is equipped with fully automatic control and multiple safety protection systems to ensure that users can achieve efficient, environmentally friendly and reliable steam supply in textile applications. The equipment operates stably, the steam pressure fluctuates little, and the steam output is fast, providing strong guarantees for textile shaping, printing and dyeing and other processes. Choose EPCB. Choose an efficient, reliable and intelligent boiler solution. To learn more, contact EPCB Boiler.